And we're done.
And cut.
Scene. Anyway, someone done farted on this train. And I know who it was.
What?
It's nasty.
It was the mean bitch lady with a nasty ass pussy.
God damn it, that's better now, Wilson.
Okay,
Or it could have been Wilson.
Huh?
Because it might have been Wilson.
It wasn't me.
I don't know.
It says it wasn't me.
I don't
But
know.
he sent a text message.
The text-
Do you have the text message? Hold on. Can y'all read that?
It wasn't me.
Whatever. It says I got a fart. You know, if someone sends you a text message that says I got a fart and then 10 seconds later you smell a fart, what are you going to think? Yeah, you're going to think it's the person that sent you a text message that say I got a fart. Maybe it was all that Gouda cheese. Maybe it was too Gouda and it needs to escape.
God damn it, it
Signing
was all
out.
that good.